Have you ever woken up with that stubborn stiffness in your knees that seems to greet you every morning? Or maybe after sitting for a while, you feel a dull, nagging ache in your lower back that just won't quit. For many seniors, these kinds of chronic pains aren't just occasional annoyances. They become daily companions that quietly interfere with the simplest things in life, from getting dressed to enjoying quality time with family and friends. These aches and pains might seem like just part of getting older, something you have to accept and live with. But the truth is, chronic pain can chip away at your independence, your mobility, and your joy in life often slowly and without much warning. It's frustrating, exhausting, and can sometimes make you feel like your body is working against you. But here's the hopeful and empowering truth. While chronic pain may not vanish overnight, there are gentle, effective strategies you can use to reduce it significantly. You can regain lost mobility, increase your flexibility, and reclaim control over your body from the comfort and safety of your own home. In this video, I'm going to guide you through 5 simple exercises specifically designed for seniors like you. These exercises are not random moves. They're carefully chosen, backed by science, and adapted to meet the needs and limitations many older adults face. They're about more than just reducing pain. They're about helping you feel stronger, more comfortable, and in command of your body again. Whether you're managing arthritis, joint stiffness, or just the general wear and tear that comes with time, these exercises can transform your daily routine. They can help you do the things you love, whether that's walking in the park, gardening, playing with your grandchildren, or simply moving freely around your home without discomfort. So, if you're ready to take this important step toward a life with less pain and more joy, let's get started. Before we jump into the exercises, it's important to understand what chronic pain really means and why it happens. Chronic pain is defined as pain lasting longer than 3 months, and it's very different from the sharp, acute pain you might feel after a fall or injury. Instead, chronic pain is often dull, persistent, and sometimes unpredictable. It can come and go or linger quietly just beneath the surface. The causes are varied, but common culprits include osteoarthritis, degenerative disc disease, muscle strains, and simply the normal wear and tear on your joints and tissues that happens as we age. This wear and tear can cause inflammation, cartilage breakdown, and changes in nerve sensitivity. What's challenging about chronic pain is that it doesn't just impact the area where you feel discomfort. Over time, it affects your muscles, nerves, and even how your brain processes pain signals. When you're in pain, your body instinctively tightens muscles around the painful area. This protective response can lead to stiffness, reduced movement, and unfortunately, even more pain. This creates a frustrating cycle where pain leads to less movement, which leads to more stiffness and pain. But here's the silver lining. Movement is medicine. The right kind of movement can interrupt this vicious cycle. Gentle exercise increases blood flow to your joints and muscles, brings in oxygen and nutrients that help repair tissues, and lubricates your joints to improve flexibility. It also stimulates the release of endorphins, natural chemicals in your brain that reduce pain and boost your mood. Numerous scientific studies show that seniors who engage in regular, gentle exercise experience significantly less chronic pain, improved muscle strength, and a better overall quality of life. The key is to start slowly, listen to your body, and choose exercises that respect your current abilities while building strength and resilience over time. Exercise number 1. Seated knee extensions for stronger, more flexible knees. Knee pain is one of the most common complaints among seniors, often linked to arthritis or past injuries. It can make even walking or climbing stairs a challenge. Strengthening. The muscles around your knee, especially the quadriceps, the big muscles at the front of your thigh, is a proven way to help stabilize the joint and reduce pain. One of the safest and easiest exercises you can do at home is the seated knee extension. This low-impact exercise puts no pressure on your knees while helping build strength and improve flexibility. Here's how you do it. Point 1. Sit comfortably in a sturdy chair with your back straight and both feet flat on the floor. 2. Slowly extend one leg out in front of you, tightening the muscles in your thigh as you straighten your knee. 3. Hold your leg fully extended for a slow count of 5. Focusing on the muscle contraction. First, slowly lower your leg back down without letting your foot touch the floor if you can. 5. Repeat this motion 10 to 15 times on one leg. Then switch to the other, move slowly and with control. Avoid any jerky or sudden movements to protect your joints. Mrs. Helen, 68, began doing seated knee extensions every morning as part of her daily routine. After just a few weeks, she felt her knees become less stiff and her walking more comfortable. The constant ache she had struggled with for years faded, and she found herself able to enjoy her daily walks in the park again, something she thought she'd lost forever. Exercise number 2. Gentle neck stretches to ease tension and improve mobility. Neck pain and stiffness often creep in slowly over time. Years of looking down at phones, reading, or simply poor posture can tighten the muscles around your neck, leading to discomfort and even headaches. Gentle neck stretches help relax these tight muscles, improve circulation, and increase your range of motion. Try this simple stretch. 1. Sit or stand comfortably with your shoulders relaxed and spine straight. 2. Slowly tilt your head toward your right shoulder, aiming to bring your ear close to your shoulder without raising the shoulder itself. Point 3. Hold the stretch for about 15 seconds, feeling a gentle pull along the side of your neck. Point 4. Return your head to the center. 5. Repeat on the left side. 6. Perform 3 repetitions on each side. Move slowly and never force your neck beyond a comfortable range. Deep, steady breathing enhances the stretch and promotes relaxation. Dr. Lisa, physical therapist who works extensively with seniors, shares, just a few minutes a day of simple neck stretches can relieve months of built-up tension, improve mobility, and help seniors maintain their independence with less pain. Exercise number 3. Ankle pumps to boost circulation and reduce leg pain. Many seniors experience swelling, heaviness, or aching in their lower legs. This is often due to poor circulation from sitting for long periods or certain health conditions. Ankle pumps are a straightforward exercise to improve circulation, reduce swelling, and relieve discomfort. Here's how to perform them. 1. Sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor. 2. Slowly lift your toes up toward the ceiling while keeping your heels on the ground. 3. Then press your toes down while lifting only your heels off the floor. 4. Repeat this pumping motion 20 times in a slow, controlled manner. This movement encourages venous return, flow of blood back to your heart, which helps prevent blood pooling and reduces swelling. Mary, 74, struggled with swollen feet after long days spent sitting. Incorporating ankle pumps into her routine several times a day brought noticeable relief. It was such a simple movement, she said, but within days, my feet felt lighter and less uncomfortable. Exercise number 4. Shoulder rolls to release upper back and shoulder pain, carrying heavy bags. Gardening or spending hours at a desk can create tension and pain in your shoulders and upper back. Shoulder rolls are a gentle way to loosen these tight muscles, improve joint mobility, and reduce discomfort caused by poor posture. To perform shoulder rolls. Point 1. Sit or stand tall with your shoulders relaxed. 2. Slowly roll your shoulders forward in a smooth, circular motion 10 times. 3. Then reverse the direction and roll your shoulders backward 10 times. Point 4. Breathe deeply and focus on smooth, controlled movements. Regular shoulder rolls can improve posture by opening the chest and aligning the spine, which reduces pain caused by muscle imbalances. Mrs. Diane, 70, shared, After adding shoulder rolls to my daily routine, I noticed my mornings felt less stiff and I had less tension after gardening. Exercise number 5. Seated spinal twists to improve flexibility and relieve back pain. Back pain is a leading cause of discomfort for seniors, often linked to reduced spinal flexibility and muscle stiffness. Seated spinal twists gently stretch the muscles around your spine and improve mobility, helping to relieve pain and improve posture. Try this. Point 1. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. 2. Cross your arms over your chest or place your hands gently on your shoulders. 3. Slowly twist your upper body to the right, moving only as far as comfortable, while keeping your hips facing forward. 4. Hold the twist for 10 seconds. 5. Return to center slowly. 6. Repeat the twist on the left side. 7. Perform 5 repetitions on each side. This twisting motion lubricates your spinal joints, reduces stiffness, and encourages better spinal alignment. John 75 said, "These twists eased the stiffness in my lower back that had kept me from yard work for years. Now, I move more freely and with less pain." Starting a new exercise routine, especially if you've been inactive for a while or are dealing with chronic pain, can feel overwhelming and even a little intimidating. It's natural to worry about whether you're doing the right movements, whether you might hurt yourself, or if it will be too much to handle. But the truth is, with the right approach and some simple guidelines, you can make your exercise routine safe, enjoyable, and effective, and it can become a powerful tool to improve your quality of life. Warm up gently every time before you begin. This is crucial. Warming up gets your blood flowing and prepares your muscles and joints for movement, reducing the risk of injury. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just spend 3 to 5 minutes doing light activities like marching in place, gentle arm swings, or slow shoulder rolls. This helps wake up your body and eases stiffness, making your exercises smoother and more comfortable. Pay close attention to your body's signals. When you're exercising, it's normal to feel some mild discomfort after all. You're challenging your muscles and joints to work in new ways. But there's a big difference between mild discomfort and sharp, intense pain. If you experience any sudden or severe pain, stop immediately. Pain is your body's way of telling you something isn't right. Don't ignore it or push through it. Modify the movement or take a rest. And if the pain persists, consult your healthcare provider. Stay well hydrated throughout your routine. Drinking water might seem basic, but it's incredibly important, especially as we age. Proper hydration keeps your muscles supple and helps prevent cramps or fatigue. Keep a water bottle nearby and take small sips regularly, even if you don't feel thirsty. Also, be sure to take breaks as needed. It's okay to pause and catch your breath, especially if you feel tired or lightheaded. Exercise should energize you, not drain you. Consult with your doctor or physical therapist before starting. This step is especially important if you have any medical conditions such as arthritis, heart disease, or osteoporosis. A healthcare professional can help tailor your routine to your specific needs, advise on safe limits, and recommend modifications to protect your joints and bones. They can also ensure you're working toward your goals without risking injury. Make your exercise routine fun and engaging. Adding elements of enjoyment can increase your motivation and make it easier to stick with your routine. Consider playing your favorite music, something upbeat or calming, whatever helps you feel good. You might also try exercising while watching a beloved TV show or listening to an audiobook or podcast. If you can, invite a friend or family member to join you. Exercising together provides companionship, encouragement, and accountability. Focus on consistency over intensity. Many people believe they need to push themselves hard every day to see results. But for managing chronic pain and improving mobility, gentle and steady progress is far more beneficial than intense workouts that risk injury or burnout. Even just 10 to 15 minutes of daily movement can accumulate into significant improvements over weeks and months. The goal is to make exercise a sustainable, enjoyable habit, something you look forward to, not dread. Celebrate every small victory. Progress might feel slow at times, but every stretch that eases your pain, every repetition that builds your strength, and every day you choose to move is a step forward. Acknowledge these moments and be proud of your dedication. Your body will thank you for it with greater comfort and freedom. Remember, these exercises aren't meant to push you beyond your limits. They're tools designed to help you live better with more mobility, less pain, and more independence. Take your time, respect your body's pace, and embrace the journey toward feeling your best. Thank you so much for spending this valuable time with me today, investing in your health and well-being. Managing chronic pain isn't a quick fix, it's a lifelong journey that requires patience, kindness toward yourself, and steady, consistent movement, but with these gentle exercises incorporated into your daily routine, you're taking powerful steps to reclaim your body and your life. You're reducing pain, improving flexibility, and enhancing your ability to enjoy everyday activities with comfort and confidence. If these exercises and tips resonated with you, please consider sharing this video with your friends or family members. Everyone deserves the chance to live comfortably and independently, free from the limitations of chronic pain. Your share could be the spark that helps someone else begin their own journey toward relief and mobility. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on practical, compassionate advice crafted especially for seniors. We're here to support you every step of the way. Always remember, your health is your most precious treasure. Every stretch, every movement, every mindful breath is a gift you give yourself. You're stronger than you know, and your commitment to taking care of yourself makes all the difference. Stay strong, stay hopeful, and I can't wait to see you in the next video.